Being called up for Uganda is a privilege. I'm honoured because this is my country, this is where my family's from. So honestly, this is something I've worked hard for my whole life. So to be called up is definitely something, it's a milestone in my career. And if I'm called up to the final few that are selected for the tournament, I'll definitely be over the moon. I'll be very happy. And I just want to thank God as well, because I wouldn't be here without God. And yeah, it's definitely a privilege and an honor.
I think by the time we leave to go to Kenya, we shall have that good willingness of playing, how to get results, how to play for fun, because we need to develop them to play good football. We don't need to put them under pressure so much. We need to teach them how to hunt. They must be good hunters. They need to know every plan and every strategy when they are still young.
Let's go!